Well, here we are. We spent the night in Bangor, Maine. We are heading back west today towards Niagara Falls, but it's like 750 miles from us, so it'll be a good ride. We had lots of bikes here last night, but it was tough to get hotel rooms. Anyway, we'll see. The weather's supposed to be good. No rain in the forecast. Let's hope that holds through. And it should be in the mid 80s, so it'll be a nice warm ride. So let's get the day started and see where we end up. Alright, we're stopped somewhere here in Vermont. I don't even know where we're at. But we stopped at this little gas station. We've had some crazy roads that would pavements just ripped up. Anyway, we stopped at the gas station. I told Aaron, let's make reservations. Excuse me, Sprite. I said, let's make some reservations. We always do that about midway in the afternoon to decide where we're going to be. Like I make hotel reservations. And then I'm sitting there looking at it, and there's a cool bridge right across the road. So let me show you that. It's cool. Bikes coming across, all the cars. Anyway, I just thought that was kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna get back on the bikes. It's hot. We have another 100, how many miles? 150, Sherry?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I
asked,
and he said it's on the screen, and I said, and then he changed it, so I didn't see. I know where we're going.
You got to be quicker. You got to be quicker. You got to be quicker than that.
And I said, okay, yeah.
It is what it is. We just keep going. It's been nice riding, pretty riding. Weather's been great. Well, we made it last night to Brattleboro, Vermont. So we're in southern Vermont, and we did about 350 miles yesterday. It was a good jaunt, and it's a little rainy this morning, so we'll get a little bit of spray. But we are heading towards Niagara Falls. It's like 370 miles from here, but we're going to try and get just outside of Niagara Falls so that tomorrow we can go and see the falls, share that with you guys. Anyway, it'll be an interesting day of riding. It's actually not too bad. A little humid. It's sprinkling right now again. So we're hoping to dodge the rain. So got the bikes loaded up. I'm almost done. And we'll be getting out of here real soon. All right, let's hit the road. Okay, pulled over because of the rain so I could put my jacket on, but it's just enough to be a mess. All right, we're gonna get going here in a minute. Still in Vermont, heading to Niagara Falls. What fun. We stopped here at the Harley Davidson dealership here in Troy, New York. We are in New York now, and I will tell you, if you get a chance, come and check this place out. It's been in business since 1955. It's still a family business. We met the owner, lovely lady, and her family all is running this, but the inside is really cool. A lot of memorabilia, and they're open on Mondays, which is one of the rarities. So check this place out. This is the Harley dealership in Troy, New York.